doing good? In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make presentation in Canva with video. Once you have created your Canva account and you're on your main dashboard, I want you to select presentations below the search bar. After you have done that, you're going to scroll down, and from here you can select the dimension that you would like to use, or you could tap on the first option if you see it on your screen also, which says record now and present later with talking presentation. So you can select this option if you want, or you can select this option. After you have done that, you'll be redirected to a new page. On this new page, you'll now be able to create your presentation. What I would normally do is go over to the left hand menu option, and from there I'll select one of their templates. If it is a case that you don't see a template that you like, you could tap on layouts from the top left hand corner, and you can see recommended layouts right here that you could use to create your presentation from scratch. You can also tap on styles, and from there you'll be able to see different color combinations and so on. Let's say for example's sake, I would like to use this template. All I would need to do is tap on apply all 20 pages, or I could select individual pages. Now after doing that, it is now time to create your presentation video. To do this, you're going to tap on present in the top right hand corner. Once you have done that, you're going to see the option present and record. You're going to tap on that, then tap on next. Then you're going to tap on go to recording studio. After you have done that, you can see the option where you can enable your camera so you could do a talking head presentation. You can also select the microphone that you would like to use. Once you're finished, you're going to tap on start recording. After selecting start recording, you'll be able to start recording your presentation video. So you'll get access to all of the slides, and you can tab across and you can talk about the information in this slide, as you can see right there. Once you're finished recording your presentation, you're going to tap on end recording from the top menu option. Then you're going to see that your recording has now been saved. From here, you can choose to either copy the URL. You could copy the URL and you could share it on social media platforms to the person that you would like to share your presentation with. So you could email it or so on. You can see how my presentation looks right there. Or what you could do, you could tap on download and you could download the video and then share it. So you have numerous options. Or you could tap on save and exit. By tapping on save and exit, the link will still be live, as you can see right here, the green icon. The link will always be live. I would recommend that you download it if you plan to share it as a video. And also, if you'd like to get access to the audio, you could tap on audio from the left hand menu option, and you're going to see the recorded audio right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.